In this video, we'll go through the possible causes that prevent your RX8 from starting. But before we start, if you're new here and like to watch helpful RX8 videos, then consider subscribing. Alright, so firstly, I want to thank RIWWP from RX8 Club for creating the blueprint for this issue, on which I created this sheet and added some features to make it as user-friendly as possible. Now, this guide is not 100% complete. If you have experience with RX8s and want to add or correct something, you are welcome to do so, and I will happily update the file with updated info. So with that said, let me walk you through it. It's pretty straightforward. On our left, we have 6 possible issues that are preventing the RX8 from starting normally or starting at all. For example, the car cranks but does not fire. In simple words, you turn the key, the car starts cranking but does not start. If this is the issue, then the cell on the right will tell us the possible cause of it. The engine could be flooded, your ignition system bad or old, your starter motor is bad or old and weak, especially the original Series 1 starter. Following up with low engine compression, a bad eccentric shaft sensor, a failing fuel pump, and a fuel system leak. Now, you may experience more or just one of these, but the best way to start is to see what to check first. You'll notice that this column is mostly blank. I left it like that so that people with experience can contribute and say what is the best sequence in which the causes should get checked. Next to it, we can find the How to Test It column. Here is where you test what part is causing the issue. If you assume that the starter motor is the problem, you click on the Click Here for video to see how to test if the starter is working correctly. If you find out that the starter is not working correctly, the last cell will tell you how to fix it. So if you click on the text saying Replace Starter, you'll have my step-by-step video showing you how to replace it. And that's about it. So find out what specific issue you're having in the first column and then use the next ones to proceed. You can download this Excel sheet for free on my website by clicking on Downloads, scroll down until you find it, and then click Download. The link to the website will be in the description. And that is it for this video. So let me know in the comments what you think of this guide, and if you find it useful, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on helpful RX8 videos just like this one.